Part 2.
Part 2. Look at my butt. I have a genius idea.
Yeah, we should just set it right there.
And on the next videos.
Oh God!
That was not supposed to happen.
Don't worry, I am not awkward. Oh God!
What?
There's a pipe leading into the bathroom. Smell it.
Oh, that's sick.
I kind of threw a stick down there.
Stop running.
Here. I'll hold the camera.
Okay, be sure to not record this. Okay, don't do it.
Okay, I won't record it.
Oh, dude, I said don't record it. You silly Willy, you. Ladies, fellas, yeah. Your girlfriend got a butt. Yes, thank
Let's take a picture.
That's just plum game. Jacqueline. Oh yeah, Jacqueline. He didn't get to finish saying what he wanted to say to you.
Maximum power! Hey, you want to know how much girls I have? Over 9,000!
Zero. How many I have? A bunch. No, I'm just kidding. Really? I'm going through one of those phases with no girls like me.
Over 9,000!
So, ladies, yeah, goodbye.